Hello, I'm Henry. Let's check out my trade today on Doge. So Doge, we're here. Actually, let me set up my chart for you guys. We have candlesticks up here. This middle level, this is a volume profile. And down here, this third level, this is a momentum indicator. And then we'll see my entry points. I have 4 entry points into this trade. So we have the right here, this timeline. This is the U.S. Open, the timing of the U.S. Open here. And then this purple line that you're seeing across here, this line is the Camarilla pivot S4. This is for, or my signal to go short is if a currency pair sells off below S4. This yellow line is not a price line. This yellow line is simply just to give me some perspective on volume profile from average volume to above average volume. We can see here at the U.S. Open we have above average volume, and we have Doge selling off under S4 here at the Open, and we have momentum for the sellers confirming this. We'll come in a little closer and get a look at my initial entry. So here, what do we have? Right here between 850 and 855, we have, or at least before even, we have it testing S4 Doge, and then Doge breaks through here just a little before 855. I take an entry right here, and I believe I put my stop up here. Let's get a smaller pin. Put my stop up here, and we can see here we have an isolated pivot. Put my stop here, and then we'll zoom out for scale. So we see here after it breaks out, it breaks down pretty well below S4 here before it begins to pull back. Pulls back, tests S4 here at this level. I took an entry. Let's see. Here it is. It's down here. Took an entry in this candle here. Again, throwing the stop back up here. And then it pulled back some more. Tested, made a really good test here at what is this? Hold on. My stop's going to be here. Okay. My stop is here. For this one, for this one, and for this one, and for the last one as well. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. We'll take a look at the fourth entry. Take my fourth entry here. What is this at 9:45? And we're still here. Back here retesting this pullback here to S4, and we can see S4 held here. It broke up through S4. Buyers were able to push it through the level, but sellers were strong enough to force the price back down below S4, and we can see it puts in a bear flag type pattern, and then as we come in a little closer in the afternoon in the U.S. market, we'll see the volume profile really picks up here in the afternoon, and we see that the sellers are able to move the price down a level lower. We see some consolidation, likely some profit taking and distribution happening in this area. Flattens out a little bit, consolidates some more, and breaks down another level. But we can see a lot of volume, a lot of transactions are taking place right in this zone, right around the U.S. lunchtime market hours. We can also see with momentum, the sellers are clearly in control here during this time span. And we'll scan over, and this is where we are right now. This area right here, this is the crypto market open. And we can see that when it opened, we've got good volume, not as high as volume as we have during the U.S. Midday or the open, but we can see here that it is again starting to sell off. If we come in here on the daily, we can see that we sold off quite a bit yesterday. We gave back all the gains and then some from the day before. And the way this candle is looking, we could be heading lower. But yeah, thank you for checking out my trade today on Doge. See you next time.